Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I've even made a drink video, but welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple carrot punch recipe. So these are the ingredients that you'll need. Remember, everything will be listed down below. Obviously, if you've made this drink before, okay, you know there's other things you could add in here, but we're going to get into that later because your girl can't drink right now. So, okay, we're going to keep it on the light side. So I'm going to add my carrots to my blender like I'm doing here. I did rinse them, even though, you know, they're already rinsed and washed. I did rinse them. And I'm just going to add my water and blend everything up and get it nice and pulverized. Okay, you want to really blend it to get all the juice and, you know, out of the carrots. All right, so after that, I'm going to strain it. Of course, you're going to want to have to do this in batches because y'all know how strainers do. Unless y'all, you know, because y'all rich, child. Some of my followers, some of y'all is rich. So y'all got more advanced kitchen tools than I do. I'm just kidding, but I used a straight up old school strainer, and so I had to do mine in batches. I did save the pulp of the carrots because I'm actually going to make a carrot cake. I'm not wasting none of this, and I'll probably share that recipe with you guys. I don't know yet. We'll see. They can also be used to make like pancakes. That'll be dope as well. You don't have to throw it out, but if you don't want to do any of that, throw it out. You know, throw it out and you good to go. So this is the second batch, and now I'm going to grate my nutmeg. I'm using fresh nutmeg, but use what you have on hand. However, the fresh nutmeg is definitely better. It's been so long since I had this drink. On a normal day, you know, I'll be ready with my alcohol to be up in here. But, you know, some Guinness, some rum, some whatever you have on hand. But your girl can't do that right now. So I'm just making it really simple and just delicious. So after that, I'm going to add the nutmeg to the drink. I'm also going to add some vanilla. And I'm also going to add some cinnamon. I don't have mixed spice, so that's why I use the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the vanilla. So, but if you have mixed spice at home, then use that. You're good to go. I'm using half a can of sweetened condensed milk because this is not a huge batch. If you're doing a full pitcher or like a huge batch, then you use the entire can. It's definitely to taste. Also, I won't be adding extra sugar. And so, you know, some people add sugar on top of this. I don't add extra sugar. This is it for me. And we had this with dinner on Sunday some time ago. But this is what it looks like, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. You just want to pour it up on some ice. I just wanted to share this quick and easy drink recipe with you guys. Nothing else to it but to do it. But I'll catch you guys soon on my next recipe. Okay, bye.